Hello students, welcome to Saran Academy. In this video we are going to deal with the introduction to geography. This course is presented by me, Saran, at Saran Academy. I am an author and a biology lecturer. If you want to know more about me, you can follow on the social media links given in the description. Without getting any late, let's dive into the video. Now geography. What is meant by geography? Geography, it is derived from two Greek words which means geo and graphia. Geo means earth, whereas the graphia means writing. The two Greek words are geo and graphia. Now, if you look at the definition, it's a study of land, features, inhabitants, and phenomenon of earth and planets. Coming to geography, we basically speak about two important persons. One is Mr. Hecataeus and the other one is Eratosthenes. Hecataeus is considered as father of geography, and the book written by him is Ges Periodos. Ges Periodos means description of earth. Coming to Eratosthenes, Eratosthenes is the first person who used the term geography, and he is the person of 200 BC. Now, what are the branches of geography? Geography is primarily divided into two branches. One is physical geography, other one is human geography. Physical geography is often referred as physiography, whereas human geography is also referred as anthropogeography. Now, if we look at the differences between physical geography and human geography, physical geography deals with natural resources, it deals about different plants and animals. It speaks about various physical features of Earth like mountains, oceans, deserts, plains, plateaus, etc. It speaks about various climatic zones. It speaks about various landforms, rocks, and minerals. So this is about physical geography. Now coming to human geography. Human geography, it speaks about population characteristics like birth rate, death rate. It speaks about immigration, emigration. It speaks about economic systems, about cultures, religions, languages, etc. It's a study of how humans interact and impact the earth. This is very important here. Human geography is a study of how humans impact and interact the earth. Now coming to this thing, geography is an integrated discipline. What is meant by this integrated discipline? Integrated discipline means it is having access to all other branches of science as well. So with this we are calling it as a geography as an integrated discipline. Now if you look at the detailed pie chart here, physical geography and human geography show overlapping in with a human environment perspective, and this branch we call it as integrated geography, which we'll be speaking in the coming slides. Now if you look at physical geography is an integrated portion of biology, ecology, geology, astronomy, and chemistry. And coming to human geography is also an integrated portion of sociology, anthropology, psychology, economics, and history. Both this human geography and physical geography rely on a common branch called mapping sciences, which is also referred as a cartography. Cartography is nothing but mapping sciences, and the person who is concerned with cartography is called as cartographer. So generally this mapping sciences is again further linked with various branches like mathematics, computer sciences, and visual arts. It takes the application from mathematics, just like if this mapping sciences, to draw maps or to take mapping data, to consider a mapping data, various geometrical applications are used with and this is mathematical application. And in modern days we use various technology and software to solve problems in cartography, and this is nothing but computer applications, and visual arts are also helpful in solving the problems of mapping sciences. So with all these things we can say geography is a integrated discipline. Coming to physical geography, which is also referred as physiography, it speaks about forms, features of earth. It speaks about atmosphere, landform, soil, season, climate. Physical geography, it's a study of geography as a earth science. It's very important here. Physical geography is a study of geography as a earth science. Now coming to branches of physical geography, Physical geography is divided into various branches. If you look each one in detail, the first one it is biogeography. Biogeography speaks with the geographical distribution of living organisms. It is further classified into phytogeography, and zoogeography. Phytogeography deals with geographical distribution of plants, whereas zoogeography deals with the geographical distribution of animals. Coming to next branch, climatology. Climatology is a study of climate. What is meant by this climate? Climate is an average weather. Climate is average weather over a period of time. We call it as climate. Climatology is a study of climate. Coming to next branch, meteorology. Meteorology deals with the weather forecasting. Weather is a present atmosphere status, we call it as weather, whereas a climate, it is the average weather conditions over a period of time. Coming to meteorology, it is often confused with meteoritics and meteorology. Meteoritics and meteorology. Meteoritics deals with the study of meteors, whereas meteorology deals with the study of measurement. So in MCQ point of view, students mostly confuse here. Meteorology is a study of weather forecasting, meteorology is study of measurements, and meteoritics is the study of meteors. Coming to next important branch is the coastal geography. Coastal geography is the study of coastal regions. Sorry for the spelling here. Coastal geography is the study of coastal regions. What is meant by this coastal region? The area which is present near to the seashore or ocean, we call it as a coastal region. Coming to geodesy, this is also an important branch which speaks about Earth's shape, orientation, and gravitational field. And geomorphology. Geomorphology studies about topographic and bathymetric surfaces. Topographic surfaces means surface on land. Topographic means surface on land, whereas the bathymetric surface means surface beneath water. Coming to glaciology, glaciology is a study of glaciers. And coming to hydrology, hydrology is a study of water. While speaking about water, we need to recognize some important dates created by UN, United Nations, to spread the awareness on water conservation, because it's a very important natural resource which is very much essential, which is vital for the survival. So for the water conservation awareness, UN has created a special day called World Water Day, which is celebrated on 22nd of March. 22nd of March is World Water Day, and very importantly, just a month later, that is 22nd of April, is World Earth Day. 22nd March is World Water Day and 22nd April is World Earth Day. Easy to remember. Clear. Now coming to ocean geography or oceanology, it deals with ocean currents, tides, and fluid dynamics. And next here we are having one more important branch called pedology. Pedology is the study of soil, and United Nations has also created to spread the awareness of soil and soil erosion with a date called World Soil Day, which is observed on every year December 5th. World Soil Day is on December 5th, World Earth Day is on 22nd of April, and World Water Day is on 22nd of March. Coming to paleogeography or paleogeomorphology, is also referred as a historical geography. It deals with the continental drift. Continental drift. How continents moved, how continents got evolved. It speaks about various tectonic plates and all. Now coming to human geography or anthropogeography, it deals with patterns and processes which shape the human society. While coming to human geography, we speak about 5 important aspects. These 5 important aspects are political, human, cultural, social, and economic aspects. So human, political, cultural, social, and economic aspects, we speak in human geography. Now if you look at branches of human geography is divided into various branches. If we speak about one by one here, the first one, it is cultural geography, which speaks about the various cultures across the globe. And the next one, developmental geography, which speaks about the standards and quality of life across the globe. Economic geography, which speaks about international trade and economy. Coming to health geography, this is very much important these days. So in COVID times, various world news channels stated that so and so country or so and so area is showing these many number of cases, this many there's this many increase in number of cases, and there's been number of deaths in particular area. All these things we cover under health geography. And health geography is an application of geography in health, disease, and healthcare. Application of geography in health, disease, and healthcare. Coming to political geography, which is also referred as geopolitics, it speaks about political process and international relationship. Here, we mostly speak about political boundaries. Coming to demography, demography is a statistical study of population. Demography is a statistical study of populations. And coming to religion geography, it speaks about the religious faiths across the globe. And coming to transportation geography, it speaks about roadways, railways, and airways and waterways. Roadways, railways, airways, and waterways. Coming to tourism geography, it speaks about the places of recreation for humans. And finally and importantly, it's a social geography. Social geography is very much important here. Social geography is an integrated branch, the next coming slide we clearly discuss this. Social geography deals with the interaction of humans with the environment. Now, other branches of geography. If you look at other branches of geography, the most important one is integrated geography, which is concerned with the spatial interaction between humans and natural world, which is more or less similar to social geography, which we have just learned. So generally, this integrated geography is a combination of physical and human geography, but more tilted towards the human geography. Very important here. It's a both combination of physical and human geography, but more tilted towards the human geography. And here we speak about the spatial interaction between humans and natural world. Coming to geomatics, geomatics is a modern branch of geology, applied branch of geography. Sorry, geomatics is a applied branch of geography which speaks about computer applications to the traditional spatial techniques employed in cartography and topography. In a early slide, I have mentioned what is this cartography and topography mean. So generally, cartography and topography are the important techniques in geography. To solve these techniques, earlier traditional spatial techniques were employed, and nowadays, with the advent of science and technology, with the advent of computers, modern computer software applications and technological applications are used. If you look at today geomatics, the four important techniques which are employed are spatial analysis, GIS, GPS, and remote sensing. Now, if we clearly understand each one in detail, what is meant by the spatial analysis? Spatial analysis stands for uh, surveying the space around. We call it as spatial analysis. Surveying the space around, uh, like surveying the form, surveying the nature of soil, surveying the depth, surveying the temperature, surveying the um, atmospheric pressure in a particular area. We all call it as a spatial analysis. Coming to GIS, it's a very important thing is here. GIS stands for Geographic Information Systems. Geographic Information Systems. So GIS stands for Geographic Information Systems, which is employed in satellites to bring the various data of our planet and also from other planets as well. Now coming to GPS today it's available in each and every phone. Each mobile user is familiar with the word GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. Global Positioning System is a radio navigation. It is used for navigation purposes. It's a radio navigation. And finally, remote sensing. The word remote sensing means obtaining information without a physical contact. And in geography perspective, obtaining information from satellite. Obtaining information from satellite. We call it as remote sensing. Regarding the remote sensing, we need to recall an important center located in Hyderabad, which is National Remote Sensing Center. National Remote Sensing Center works under Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. It's very important here. National Remote Sensing Center is located in Hyderabad, which stores, process and uses the various satellite information. So generally ISRO is having various satellites around the earth, and all this satellite information is collected at National Remote Sensing Center and is stored here, stored, processed, as well as used. And this is used for three purposes. One is land surveying, the other one is weather forecasting, and the final one, land surveying, weather forecasting, and final one, disaster management. Land surveying, weather forecasting, and disaster management. So this is for now. Thank you for watching this video. For more and more such videos, please subscribe this channel. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. This makes us to bring more and more such educational videos to you. Bye bye.